Hi everyone, it's Kathy. I'm back with another reveal video, and today I'll be sharing the clear stamp set Magical Winter. It is a 4x6 clear set, and it includes 7 image stamps as well as 7 sentiment stamps. The measurements are the snowman in the square is about 2.5 by 2 1/4. The snowman on the skis is about 1 3/4 by 2 3/4. The small bunch of trees measures 1 1/4 by 3 1/4. The larger bunch of trees is 2 by 3 1/4. And Santa's sleigh is about 1.5 by 1 1/4. I do have a sample to share with you. And for my card, I used the Bookmark and Tag Die Set to create my little scene. I did some ink blending and stamping and coloring. I did add some glitter and shimmer. For the snowflakes in the background, I used the Snow Flurry clear stamp set. For more inspiration, make sure you head on over to the Whimsy Stamps blog. For more information, I'll have the products that I used linked in the description box below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you've not yet subscribed, we'd love it if you would. And don't forget to ring the bell so you're notified every time a new video is posted. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.